Lecture 2 The Digital Marketing Landscape. Welcome to this lesson on the digital marketing landscape. In this lesson, we will be exploring the different channels and tactics that make up the world of digital marketing. So, what makes up the digital marketing landscape? At its core, digital marketing is about using online channels to promote products or services. There are many different channels and tactics that can be used as part of a digital marketing strategy, including 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. This involves optimizing a website or app so that it ranks highly in search engine results pages. 1. SEO can involve things like keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. 2. Social media marketing. This involves using social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with potential customers and promote products or services. 3. Email marketing. This involves using email to reach out to potential customers and nurture leads. 4. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. This involves placing ads on search engine results pages or other websites and paying every time someone clicks on an ad. 5. Content marketing. This involves creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. 6. Influencer marketing. This involves partnering with individuals or organizations that have a large following on social media or other platforms to promote products or services. These are just a few examples of the many channels and tactics that make up the digital marketing landscape. It is important for businesses to consider a range of options when developing a digital marketing strategy, as different tactics may be more or less effective depending on the goals and target audience.